The Micaela model is the crown jewel for large families and serious investors. Whether you are eyeing the cool atmosphere of Suntrust Verona in Silang or the prestigious Little Rome of Suntrust Siena Hills in Lipa, you are looking at a high-value asset. The Micaela at Suntrust. Experience grand Italian living in Silang and Lipa City, a legacy investment for 2026. Welcome to a world where location meets luxury. Today, we are showcasing the Micaela, a premier home model available in two of the most sought-after addresses in the south, Suntrust Verona in Silang, Cavite, and Suntrust Siena Hills in Lipa City, Batangas. Why are these locations gold mines? In Verona, Silang, you are at the gateway of Tagaytay. With the CALAX fully operational, you have high-speed access to Manila while enjoying a 15-minute drive to the ridge. In Siena Hills, Lipa, you are in the Little Rome of the Philippines. Lipa is a booming, next-wave city, home to the Lima estate and a thriving IT BPO hub. Investing in either location means tapping into the highest capital appreciation rates in the CALAX zone region today. Now, let's step inside the Micaela. This is a grand, two-story single-detached home with a massive 178.70 square meters of floor area with minimum lot area of 176 square meter. It is the perfect blend of medieval Italian charm and modern functionality. Space for everyone. The Micaela is designed for the modern Filipino family. It features 4 massive bedrooms, but what sets it apart is the additional multi-purpose room on the ground floor, perfect as an elderly-friendly room, a home office, or a media room. The living experience. You have a wide, open-plan living and dining area that flows into the kitchen. Upstairs, the master suite is a true retreat, featuring its own private balcony. The essentials. With 3 full bathrooms, a carport, and a spacious veranda, every square inch of the Micaela is optimized for comfort. Whether it's the 176 SQM lot in Verona or the scenic plots in Siena Hills, you are buying a home that feels like a mansion. But you aren't just buying a house. You're buying into an Italian-inspired community. Suntrust Verona offers a 62-hectare, Love City, with a clock tower, Lovelock Garden, and a viewing deck for the Tagaytay breeze. Siena Hills brings you, in 2026, real estate is about strategic growth. The Micaela model in both Verona and Siena Hills offers a rare, double WN. It's a dream home for your family and a high-yield asset for your portfolio. As these cities continue to urbanize, the price of the Micaela today will be the bargain of tomorrow. Don't just watch the South grow, own a piece of it. Secure your Micaela unit today. Both projects feature resort-style swimming pools, basketball courts, grand clubhouses, and 24/7 gated security. It's a secure, premium environment where your children can grow up with fresh air and open spaces. In 2026, real estate is about strategic growth. The Micaela model in both Verona and Siena Hills offers a rare, double WN. It's a dream home for your family and a high-yield asset for your portfolio. As these cities continue to urbanize, the price of the Micaela today will be the bargain of tomorrow. Don't just watch the South grow, own a piece of it. Secure your Micaela unit today. Available financing. Bank or in-house financing both projects Suntrust Siena Hills and Suntrust Verona. As low as 15% down payment payable in 24 months at 0 interest, 85% bank or in-house financing available. For deferred cash option, you may avail our 0 interest if you pay in 18 months to pay from reservation date, or avail our 10% spot cash discount if you pay it in cash within 30 days from reservation date. For our sample computation, tripping and reservation, please call us Corasac Dalen at +6 391750177471. Your trusted real estate agent who can assist you until your house turnover.